put my belt on. Hang on. Okay, peeps. Hubby is home. Husband, say hi to the peeps. I don't know where I got this old jacket from. I'm just rough today. I'm just gonna be rough today. I'm sorry. It's hustle, trying to get, you know, everything done, and then we ran out of okay, there. We ran out of deodorant, so we need to get deodorant, and I think that's it. So we're going to Walmart for just deodorant, husband.
I don't know. I think I'm gonna go to Target.
Target, because that's far just to get deodorant.
Just go to Target.
Yeah, even though Target is a little bit more.
I don't really like Target.
Target is just a bougier version of Walmart.
I'm just going because it's the closest.
I guess, I don't know, whatever. So that's what we're doing. I'm tired. Are you tired, babe?
Yeah.
And then he has to pick up Destiny from school, because she says that Daddy has to pick me up at 4. So 4:30. It's 4:30. She kept on insisting that we pick her up at 4:30. She was like, "Don't forget." I'm like, "Oh my word!" First of all, my husband puts an alarm on my phone. And then where are you guys going? First of all, he puts an alarm on my phone to wake me up. Didn't work.
2 alarms.
2 alarms, and it didn't work. I was just like, I didn't send for you, so don't come for me. And now my daughter's talking about, don't forget to pick me up. Like I would forget to pick up the child. Not really. Anyways, people, I'll see you guys at Target. Ready, Books? Let's do this. Can we look in the hands and hearts section over here? See if we see any clearance or anything.
So I was just like, wow.
I love this section of Target. I'm gonna go crazy. This is cute. This is cute. Why is it $8? I need something for the dining room to put at that little place. What? How much is it?
$8.
$8? Cause it's name brand.
It's a black spoon.
It's not. It's actually not a spoon.
Whatever.
It's name brand, but they go on clearance. They had massive clearance today. Ooh, I need some brush. I need some brushes. I'm about to paint our old furniture. Chalk painted. You think that's good?
The hell, I go to Lowe's and get one for $2.
You don't think that's a good price?
What?
For those?
$14 for one?
No. Oh gosh.
What's wrong with these people? Who the hell's Magnolia?
But it's really good stuff. Oh, here go the chalk paint.
Who the hell's Magnolia? And why is their shit so expensive?
How much is their chalk paint? I need a can. I need a really good color to paint our furniture. I don't like the brown.
Our furniture?
Especially the white, the nightstands.
Our nightstands?
Yeah.
Are you gonna sand them?
No, with chalk paint you don't have to sand. So I need a nice color.
You gonna paint them?
Yeah. So if you like any of these color, or we could use the Target brand, let me know. Ooh, these are on clearance. They're $5.98, and they look like this. I think we should get this for Destiny's room. I think we should get this for Destiny's room.
White?
It's $5.98 and it's 84 inches long. What do you think? They're white, and then they also have this one. This is really pretty. This is pretty. I like that. I'm not a fan of black.
No, I just wanted something for under our room.
Oh yeah,
so
you
it
mean
blacks
for the
out.
blackout?
Yeah, because I need it.
Yeah, but this is what, one panel? This is only one panel, or is it two? One panel, yeah. Yeah. I need something like this for the guest bathroom downstairs, the half bath, to go over the toilet. But I don't know if I want this or just a shelf. So do you like the shelf?
Huh?
This?
No, I don't like that either.
You don't like that?
I don't like nothing like this.
Yeah.
Over top of it.
So what do you like?
Just like
you don't like this?
Just.
Oh, okay. Then they have this one.
Yeah, like
that.
Not the whole.
The whole thing.
It looks. It looks
cluttered.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't even think you need that, but.
This one? I want something open.
Because you already have that under the sink.
The space is so small.
That's what I'm saying. Why would you add that?
Because you need for storage.
Under the sink.
Yeah, we don't have any under the sink. Our toilet is like, our sink is like this. There's no storage. It's like this. So we need something for storage, like to keep the spray thingy and stuff in there.
Yeah.
No, I need a mat for also the bathroom, but I don't know how big. That's the thing. I don't know
later, once we figure out
how and what color. Like I like that color, but dark color. What's the matter?
Her hand is stuck.
Her hand's stuck. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know what color to go with. Comment down below, guys, what color we should put the half bath downstairs in. I want to get some new pots.
Just get all cast iron.
Cast iron? Marcelo wants to get all cast iron cookware. Do you guys cook with cast iron? Oh, they have the Dutch. Have the Dutch in it. Honey, I think this is the one you were kind of looking for. This one, I think. Is this it? Something like that, right?
No, that's a Dutch. Well, this one has a top, so yeah. But I just want it to be like.
They don't really have a top, because
that's a top
this
right
is
there.
Something you can also cook with.
Yeah, that's a top.
And then you have this one, which is like I would get this one too.
I'm looking to replace this.
Nice set. We have never owned a nice set.
No, so we're gonna get one for the house.
So they're really nice.
Black looks nice.
The black one?
Mm-hmm.
I like the black too.
Actually,
I like those. This one.
Feels good.
I like this one. I don't know why. But look at the price on them. Holy.
Yeah, they're 170.
Oh.
I don't like it no more. I like the other stuff. This one, the Instapot.
Yeah, this is what I want, is an Instapot.
Why, you don't like the old?
Is it instant? No, Instant Pot. It's not Instapot. It's Instant Pot.
Why, you don't like the old style?
But I'm afraid of pressure cooker.
I like the old one where you.
Do you guys like pressure cooker? Like, do you cook with pressure cooker? I don't like pressure cookers. They scare me. But
this has too much crap going on with it. I just
really?
want a pressure cooker.
I don't know. I don't know how I feel about pressure cookers anymore. One blew up on me when I was younger. Okay, guys, we're back from Target. All right, let me show you guys what we got. So we got one roll of paper towel. I'll get it. We have bat tissue. Maddie keep destroying my chargers, so I got this charger. It was on sale. It's 6 feet. She keep putting them in her mouth and destroying them. I'm about to paint our nightstands, and so we got roller set. We got some soap. Got some foam brushes just for edges and stuff. So I just got that little cheap pack of. Got some sanding paper to sand the nightstands. It's cheaper than buying new nightstands. I got some deodorant for Destiny and I. My husband got some deodorant. Marcelo got some deodorant himself. Miss Madison got some wipes. And this is the paint that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to use this paint for the nightstand. And the color is, this is the color. It's called Divine Greystone. And I'm going to use this also to paint the island in the kitchen. Because I'm painting the cabinets in the house. And then we also have this clear sealing wax. And then I saw this and I had to have it because it has the gold or whatever this is. What is this, copper? It was $24.99. I think my total was $130 something or 20, I don't know. So here's the receipt. Yeah, 122. So anyways, guys, I forgot to show you guys this. It's called pop sockets. So it's my first time giving it a try, so to help with, you know, how often I drop my phone, see how I like it. This was like $15. This is the color of the paint. Let's see. Oh, that's the color.
What are you doing? You gotta stir that. You gotta shake.
Go on the edges, mommy.
Hmm.
Can we go on the edges?
No, just stay in the center for right now.
Jax, why does it stay in the center?
I'm gonna take over in a little bit. This is what happens when you're kids. Alright, give the twins a try now.
Okay. Wait, which one? It's like,
No,
no.
let the twins try, Jackson.
Okay.
Jackson, give up the brush.
It's so shiny. That one's more clippers. Not on the end one.
Jordan, don't go back and forth in the
That paint cost me $30. Don't waste no paint. Huh?
There's one more.
No, that's not one more. That's the sealer. That's $15. That's $45 for those two components. Yeah.
You can call it back for me. After they're
Okay, guys, so this is what it looks like. It's coming up white, but that's because the lights are right there. But this is what it looks like after 2 coats of the gray paint. So
Now, can you see it?
it's coming, and then I have 1 coat on this side drying.
Then in the
This is what 1 coat looks like, and this is 2 coats.
In the olden days, the people dressed up.
Okay, guys, so it's drying right now. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see. This only has 1 coat of paint on it, so I have to put another coat tomorrow morning because I don't want to mess with it anymore. And then, so I'll show you guys tomorrow what the actual color looks like. But for right now, it looks good. All the kiddos are up. This one over here making mess. That one making mess. Maddie did pretty good. I'm surprised she did not touch that. Yes.
Was that helpful?
Yes, you were very helpful.
I was helpful. Of course. I was helpful.
So, I'm going to go clean up my house now.
No, you're not.
Why?
Bedtime, because bedtime.
Yeah, you guys have to clean up all your mess. What do you mean, no? Get up. Come on. No, 5 minutes. Come on.
5 minutes.
Get all this stuff up off the floor. And then it's bedtime. So, this is what it looks like, guys.
Here's the pen.
I don't know. I want to change out the hinges, but I don't know. But I gotta go put these things I gotta go put this paint pan in water and stuff, but I'm proud of myself. My first paint project. Guys, this is what the clear wax look like. And I'm getting ready to put it on. Not too bad. I'm gonna go finish this and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I will see you guys on Friday. Bye, guys.